What's up, everybody, and good morning. It's an early morning here. It's 4:30, and I'm getting ready to go out and do one of my fossil hunting videos today. But before I get started, I actually have a GoPro Hero 5 Black that I've been recording on. I plan on upgrading to the GoPro Hero 7 Black soon. But I've always had an issue with the sound, with the microphones. There's a bad design, I guess you would say, with the case that it actually comes in, that it sits on. When it goes inside there's actually these little places on here that covers the microphones. There's 3 microphones on your GoPro Hero, and they get covered up, and sometimes it just kind of muffles the sound or whatever, and it's kind of a bummer when you're doing videos and stuff, especially when I'm down there in the creeks and you can barely hear sometimes. But there's actually a way you can hack this, and just take a look. If you have a little Dremel tool, you can Dremel out the little plastic case around the microphones there, and should be able to give you what you're looking for on the sound. But I'm gonna go ahead and set this thing up, and I'm gonna do it on camera and see what we can get for you. Alright, so on your GoPro there's gonna be 3 microphones. There's one on top here by the power, there's one on the side, and then there's one on the bottom right here. And when you put this thing in the case, these are kind of muffled. This one on top gets covered up right here. You see, you can't see that. It's really like right here. And then this one on the side, it's got this little thing, but that thing gets in the way. And then on the bottom, it's just this little tiny hole. But I mean, you can barely see the mic in there. So we're gonna Dremel this thing out real quick and see what we can get done here. Hopefully this works out right, because I gotta use it today, that's for sure. Alright. There's one. It seems like it came out alright. Just choose that little area out right there around it. Now we're going to do this one. That one looks alright. We got this last little one here on the bottom here. See, I got it marked on there where I want to cut it. It's a mess, let me tell you. I hope my wife didn't wake up. She'll kill me if she hears that noise. Anyway, that was it. You got your one hole right here. I kind of have OCD, so I try to do this as good as possible. There's the second hole, and then the third little notched out there. Got a little mess here. Just kind of wipe that out of there. And let's see how it fits. Put the GoPro back in the case. See? Now you can see that microphone right there. Where's that one at? That one has better access. Oh, I chewed that little thing up right there though. That sucks. And then this one right here on the bottom. So now all three of those holes are open. So anyway, that's it. Now I gotta get out there in the creeks and get to digging for them fossils. It's gonna be a long day today. So if you like this video, give me a like, share, and subscribe to my page. If you like fossil hunting videos, I do all kinds of stuff, fossil hunting. When I go on cruises, my traveling videos, stuff like that. Anything crazy that I really see. But if you like this video, I appreciate it if you smash that thumbs up down there, and hit the bell if you want to see the new videos that I post as I post them. And have a good day. I appreciate it. See ya.